Reconciling cash accounts. We're going to walk through the process of reconciling a cash account. To complete this process, we'll first find the ending balance of the cash account, and then create a reconciliation statement. To begin with, go to the banking workspace and open the cash account transactions form. In the summary area, select the cash account and the start and end dates of the financial period you want to reconcile. Ensure the Show Summary and include unreleased checkboxes are cleared. Take note of the ending balance. Now it's time to create a reconciliation statement. Go to the banking workspace and click the New button beside the Reconciliation Statements menu option. In this new statement record, select the cash account for which you want to create the reconciliation statement. Notice that the reconciliation date and load documents up to fields auto-populate with the current date. Then, all unreconciled payments with a date not later than the date mentioned in the load documents up to field are loaded to the table. Look through each payment in the table and match them against the bank statement. Select the Reconcile checkbox for every payment loaded to the table that matches the bank statement. Alternatively, you can click the Toggle Reconciled button to select all the documents in the table after matching them with the bank statement. Note that the amount in the reconciled balance field is the total amount of the selected checkboxes. When you see this warning, it means that these transactions cannot be added to the reconciliation because they are unreleased transactions. If any transaction does not reconcile with the bank statement, you can click its original document number link to review the transactions on the Checks and Payments form. Now, let's enter the bank statement balance in the Statement Balance field. In this example, we'll enter a lesser amount for the system to give us a negative amount in the Difference field, so we could show you how to create adjustments. Notice that there's a difference in the statement balance from the bank and the balance calculated based on our payments marked as reconciled. Let's assume that this difference is due to the bank charge that has not been entered in the system. So we'll now create an adjustment to add this bank charge in the system to reconcile our account. Click the Create Adjustment tab. Here, enter the transaction details you need to add to the system and release the transaction. Notice that the newly created transaction is added to the table. Select the Reconcile checkbox for the added transaction. Then click Remove Hold and save the reconciliation statement. Now we'll release the transaction and complete the cash account reconciliation process. This message appears once it's completed.